my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today the product which I am going to, first I'll tell you about the briefing about the product. It is NYB loose glitter eyeshadow. I'm going to talk with you about this product as well as I'm going to show you the demo on my eyes. Not only of this product, but I will compare this with Stay Quirky I Am Glitter eyeshadow. I have one separate video on this product on my channel. I'll try to link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if at all you have not watched this video and you want to see this video, you can go ahead and you can watch. But the main focus of today's video is on this NYB loose glitter eyeshadow. Now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's talk about the product. As I told you, it is a loose glitter. That says outer packaging, I'll tell you. This is what the outer packaging, it is kind of a rose gold packaging. I'm not sure whether the outer packaging of the box resembles the color, because the color which I am going to show you today is rose gold 08 and the shade number is given over here, right? And one side, as I told you, that on the other side, actually this particular product comes in this kind of plastic wrapping. I have already removed that plastic wrapping, and on that wrapping the barcode was there, so I've taken out the barcode and I've stuck on over here. And on the one side it says the shade number, and on the one side it has the barcode. When you check the back side of the product, it says marketed by, manufactured by, and each and every other details. This particular product is manufactured in 0422. Yes, this is recently manufactured product, and it is good to use till 0924. So 22 to 23, 23 to 24. So almost 30 months of shelf life you are going to get for this particular product. The MRP of this product is 275 rupees, and net content what you are going to get in this is 2 grams of product, right? In this particular range you are going to get 5 different shades, so pretty good shade range. If you want to have some of your favorite shade, you can just pick up the individual shade and you can have your like favorite shade in your hand, okay? And this is made in India product. This is cruelty free. Now what it says on one side, these are the key features. It says super pigmented, glitter finish, long wear, cruelty free, enriched with oils and fruit extract. That is what is given on the other one side of the packaging. And when you just check over here they say the ingredients they have given you, as well as how to use. Now I'll just tell you how to use, because this is little bit different. It says apply glitter glue or the eye primer to the desired area and get the loose glitter eyeshadow over the top to get the desired result. That is what is given over here. That is how to apply, right? So for this you need to have glitter glue or maybe the eyeshadow primer. Otherwise how it will apply, I am not sure. Now I am actually thinking whether to show you this particular product on one eye, because in that other video I have already shown you the demo of this product. So I am planning to do one eye with the eyeshadow primer of this particular product only, and one eye without the eyeshadow primer. Now let us see how it fares up. Right, now I'll just give you a demo right now. I'll just open the product and show you the inner packaging. This is how normal cardboard packaging, okay? And this is what the inner packaging looks like. It is kind of a frosty plastic jar with a black lid. It says NYB loose glitter eyeshadow. You can check over here, right? And on the back side, if you say, it says NYB loose glitter eyeshadow, net content they have given you. So it's not given on the packaging. It says you have to refer to the outer box. So if you want to have the manufacturing and expiry, then you have to keep this. Otherwise you have to make a tag or something, then only you can make out the manufacturing and expiry. Now when you just open the packaging, it comes with a plastic shifter. You just have to be very careful because this is of course loose glitter. You can see this kind of plastic shifter you are going to get. Now what I'll do is I'll just take a little bit and I'll show you the hand swatch. This is finely milled. Yes, definitely I can say it is not at all like, you cannot feel crunchy or something. And this is what actually the eyeshadow is. This is the shade. And as I told you, I have ordered rose gold shade. Now what I'll do is On my right hand side, I am applying directly the glitter eyeshadow. That is why I have not applied my eyeliner. If at all you are feeling why my eyes are looking like this, because I have not applied the eyeliner. I am directly applying it with the fingers. Mind well, I have not applied the eyeshadow primer. And on my left hand side, we will see with the primer what effect, what difference does it make. Now you can, I'll just come little bit close by. You can see over here, I have applied only with my fingers and nothing is there. Yes, there was a little bit of fallout while applying. Right, now I'll take the NYBay Eye Brightener Eyeshadow Primer. I'll just take a little bit and I'll apply on my left eye. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. I've just taken this much of quantity and I'll apply on my left side. And for the transition shade, like before applying the eyeshadow for the transition, I had just applied this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette ka this shade, the contour shade, just for the transition on my eyes. Because we want to have the perfect glitter effect on our eyes. So that is why we'll just set it, let it set for a few seconds. By the time I'll just tell you my lipstick detail. My lipstick, the lipstick what is I'm having on my lips is Darling Isabella shade number 24, Duchess Rich Magenta. This is what the lipstick I'm having on my lips right now. Okay, now what I'll do is again I'll take with my fingers only, as I did in that, I'll take again the fingers only and I'll apply the glitter eyeshadow on this part and we will see the difference. Yes, the color effect is different. When you apply the glitter, the eyeshadow primer, of course it is not finished properly. Let me just do it. Now I'll just come with the little bit close by. This is without eyeshadow primer and this is with eyeshadow primer. Can you see the effect of the color, effect of the payoff? You can say overall payoff is good over here, but even this is manageable. It's not that you should have, but if at all you have, then it is a good thing. This is what the difference between the eyeshadow with the eyeshadow primer and without eyeshadow primer. Right, now I have already shown you the demo. I'll just tell you a quick comparison. Basically, actually, I wanted to compare NYBay glitter with the Stay Quirky glitter, but it is not possible because I wanted to also do this particular with and without eyeshadow primer. I'll just brief you about this Stay Quirky Stay Quirky glitter. In this also you are getting 5 shades. In this also you are getting 5 shades. This retails for 275 rupees. This retails for 349 rupees. Even this, in this you get 30 months, even in this you get 30 months. In this you get 2 grams, in this you get 2.5 grams, 0.5 grams extra. This is also made in India, this is also made in India, this is also cruelty free, this is also cruelty free. This is paraben free, cruelty free, enriched with oil and all that things they have given you. If you want, as I told you, you can watch that video because in that I have already told you all the things in detail. So if you ask me my thinking, okay, which you can go for, whether Stay Quirky or NYBay, then I will tell you, you can go for NYBay. Okay, 0.5 difference is there, but then also the cost difference is there. And as per my knowledge, this loose eye glitter eyeshadow you can use for many years. I don't think you will be able to finish this particular thing. So you don't require 2.5 grams. Even with 2 grams also you can manage it very well, right? So if you ask me my final thought, then NYBay loose glitter eyeshadow is a good thing. Definitely good color payoff. 5, of course, shade range, they have only 5 shades. So if at all you have some other shades, some funky shades and all, then I think you may have to wait. They may come up with different shades or they may not. I am not sure, but right now it is available in 5 shades and all the 5 shades are very pretty. If you are getting your own shade, definitely go ahead and you can make your own purchase. See, basically I have tried to cover each and every point, but still if you have any query, any questions, you can let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram. I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen, and you can DM me over there your whatever the video suggestions or video request or any other query. Yeah. That's it for today's video. Basically, I'm forgetting something because I'm not well. Still, I'm not well, but I'm recovering. It's not that I'm not well 100%. I'm recovering. I'm 50% well, 50% not well. right? So if at all I've fumbled somewhere or I've made some mistakes, then I'm extremely sorry for it. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.